On the board, you have log 2 log x plus 3 raised to the power of 7 in base 2 equal to 21. Now, without wasting much time, let's trash this. In order to do this, first of all, we need to bring down the power. This power you're seeing here, we'll bring it down. According to the law of indices, logarithm, which says log a raised to the power of n, shut it down, will give us n log a. So with this now, we'll bring down the power. So it will become 7 log x plus 3 in base 2 equal to 21. So we've done this now. And now we want the log x plus 3 in base 2 equal to 21 to be alone. We want this log x plus 3 in base 2 to be alone. Now, how do we do that? In order to make it alone, the 7 there attached, this 7 that is attached here, we need to remove it. In order to remove that, we divide both sides by 7. We divide both sides by 7. 7 cancels this. So what's remaining now is log x plus 3 in base 2 equal to 7 into this is 3. Now what should we do? We'll change this logarithm now to ordinary number. Let's change this log to ordinary number. In order to change it to ordinary number, it will be x plus 3 equal to, you see this base you're seeing here, the base goes to this side to become a whole number. Now the 3 becomes a power. We've changed to ordinary number now. So after this, what's the next one? Now the next one here will be your x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Now what should we do? We collect our like terms, which is x is equal to 8 minus 3. You have your x equal to 5. So our x is 5. Thank you.